allows you to turn yourself into AI comics. So all you have to do is pretty much tap on the option here which says add a role, and you'll be able to upload a photo of a clear photo of yourself, and as well give yourself a character name and select your gender. So once you have done that, you're pretty much able to go here where you can enter your details as it relates to your storyline and so forth. As well, if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on the inspire me option and it will generate something for you as it relates to that. And down here again, select whichever style you want the comic to be in. Here you have the Manga option, comic option, some other options here which you can select. Just tap on the option and you're pretty much good to go. And once you've done everything, you pretty much go ahead and tap on create, and it will pretty much start generating. And anything that you have generated on the application, we able to see in the history section here, and you'll be able to check out and review those as well. So as it relates to the subscription, you can tap on the pro option at the top here to get your subscription. As you can see, you're gonna need credits to generate your AI comic books. As you can see, I have the monthly subscription, you have the yearly subscription, and a weekly subscription. Pretty much the price, how much credits you'll be getting for each subscription. So very simple application to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Let's see if we can help you. See you in the next one.